Hey everyone, welcome to Real Estate Insights. Today, we're revealing if investing in luxury condos in big cities is the best way to grow your wealth. Let's explore. Imagine living in the lap of luxury with top-notch amenities. Sounds perfect, right? But is it the smartest investment? Let's find out. First, high demand. Did you know that big cities attract high income professionals and expatriates who are always on the lookout for luxury living? Second, appreciation potential. Have you noticed how property values in prime locations often rise over time? Third, rental income. Who wouldn't pay top dollar for luxury living? But is it enough to cover your investment? Plus, luxury condos offer unbeatable amenities and a prestigious lifestyle. Wouldn't you love to have access to state-of-the-art gyms and all-the-time concierge services? But there's a flip side. The initial investment is high. Can you afford the significant capital or financing needed? The market can be volatile. Are you prepared for the unpredictability of real estate markets, especially for high-end properties? Maintenance fees can be costly. Have you considered how these ongoing costs will impact your profits? And selling these properties can take time. How will you handle the impact on your liquidity when you need it most? So, what should you consider? Location is crucial. Have you identified prime areas with good infrastructure that tend to hold value? Stay informed about market trends. Are you keeping up with job growth, population shifts, and economic health in your target area? And diversify your portfolio. Are you spreading your investments across different assets to reduce risk? In the end, luxury condos can be a great investment for those ready to handle the risks. Are you ready to do your research, set clear goals, and consult professionals? Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe to Real Estate Insights for more investment insights. See you next time.